Namaskar, Guten Tag. On behalf of the Tagore Center, Embassy of India, Berlin, it is my pleasure to welcome you to Day 4 of the Guru Shishya Parampara series on the occasion of the 71st Foundation Day of the Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR. In the Guru Shishya Parampara series, we present to you Kathak performance of Indian Guru Srimati Gitanjali Lal and her German student Anna Dietrich. Kathak is the Northern Indian classical dance form derived from the word katha, which means story. There is a popular saying, Katha kahe so Kathak kehlave, meaning the one who tells a story is known as Kathak. Guru Srimati Gitanjali Lal is foremost among the leading Kathak exponents and has carved a special niche in the world of dance. Trained by the great stalwarts like Roshan Kumari, Gopi Krishna, Mohan Rao Kalyanpurkar, and her husband Sri Devi Lal, Gitanjali Lal is also a gifted musician trained by her father, Sri Rajnikant Desai of Agra Gharana. Performing for the last 4 decades in all the major national and international dance festivals, Srimati Gitanjali Lal has received many accolades for her brilliant solo exposition of Jaipur Gharana and for her own choreographic works for which she has scored the music. She is known for her imaginative choreography of Kaun Banega Crorepati, Indradhanush, Meghdoot, The Spirit, Rabindranath Tagore's Chitrangada, to name a few. Srimati Lal is the recipient of the prestigious Sangeet Natak Academy Award. She was also the director of Kathak Kendra, the National Institute of Kathak Dance, New Delhi, and is a top grade artist of Doordarshan ICCR. Guru Srimati Gitanjali Lal's disciple, Anna Dietrich, is a culture and dance educationalist as well as a qualified dancer and choreographer. An exponent of both Kathak and Mohiniyattam, she has studied Kathak under her guru, Srimati Gitanjali Lal in Delhi, and Mohiniyattam under her guru, Padma Shri Bharati Shivaji, late Professor Kalamandalam Leelamma, and Pallavi Krishnan. Anna is the artistic leader of the Indian art ensemble Atmadwani and Pratiksha, and together with Jana Schmuck of the Dance and Art Institute Tanzat Kirschau. As a lecturer, she works for prestigious institutions such as the National School of Drama in Delhi and companies such as Imperial Fernando Ballet Company in India. Anna has performed at well-known platforms in America, France, Italy, Russia, Indonesia, Malaysia, and India. Today, in their performance titled Arpana, Srimati Gitanjali Lal and her disciple Anna Dietrich from Germany will present a pure classical Kathak dance performance which shows the typical aspects of a classical dance repertoire. Starting with an invocation followed by storytelling or an abhinaya piece and finishing with the technical aspects of dance like tarana. All choreographic and musical compositions are done by Srimati Gitanjali Lal. Hope you all enjoyed the concluding day of the Guru Shishya Parampara series brought to you by the Tagore Center, Embassy of India, Berlin. Namaskar.
Namaste. I'm very proud and happy to be a part of the Guru Shishya. For me, it is very special to perform together at this event with my Guruji, Srimati Gitanjali Lal from Delhi. It is very amazing to see as a German artist how it is to receive training in India. I'm going every day to the house of my Guruji and learn from her the dance. For me, this means learning true and honest about Indian dance, Indian art and culture. It means learning for life. We will start our performance with an invocation to Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha, the elephant god, is omniscient. He is the remover of obstacles, the lord of beginners, and the patron of art and science. The item starts with recalling his special attributes and describing Lord Ganesha. The composition is in Rag Desh and in Chotal. a time cycle of 12 beats. It is an honor for me to start the Ganesh Vandana with my Guruji, Geeta Anjali Lal.
विशाल लंबोदर भुज विशाल कर त्रिशूल चंद्रभाल कर त्रिशूल चंद्रभाल शोभित गल पुष्पमाला शोभित गल पुष्पमाला रक्तवस्त्रदार सुरप्रियाय लम्बोदराय सकिलाय जगत्पिताय नागाननाथ श्रुतियज्ञविभूषिताय गौरीसुताय गणनाथ नमो नमोस्तुते
The next item is based on a thumri, which is a style of singing in Indian Hindustani music. The dancer interprets the meaning of the lyrics through various hand gestures, face expression and mime. The maiden pleads Krishna not to tease her and to leave her alone. The dancer portrays Krishna's various pranks, like breaking her earthen pot, throwing holy colors on her. The composition is in Rag Kalavati and set to Tintai, a time cycle of 16 beats. Thumri is my Guruji, Gita Anjali Lal.
छेड़ो ना सखिया हमारी सखिया सारी देखे करत ठिठोरी सखिया सारी देखे करत ठिठोरी हंसत दे सारी मोहे छेड़ो ना नज के सुनो ओ छेला मोहे छेड़ो ना नज के सुनो ओ छेला मोहे छेड़ो ना मोहे छेड़ो ना मोहे छेड़ो ना गरवाला गाए मुझको सताए गरवाला गाए गरवाला गाए गरवाला गाए मुझको सताए गरवाला गाए मुझको सताए चमक भेजरी बदरा गिर आए 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 पैया परू घर जाने दे पैया परू घर जाने दे रोको ना गे पेला मोहे छेड़ो ना नग के सुनो छेला मोहे छेड़ो ना नग के सुनो मोहे छेड़ो ना मोहे छेड़ो ना मोहे छेड़ो ना
For me, classical Indian dance is so fascinating as I can describe stories with the help of mudras, hand gestures, face expression and mime. Kaliya Daman is one of the anecdotes of Krishna. Here the dancer describes Krishna while playing with his friends ball. Krishna throws the ball in the river Yamuna. His friends insist him to bring back the ball. Krishna jumps in the river and has a big fight with Kaliya, a poison snake which is living in the river. He controls him and asks him to leave the river to make the river pure, for the villagers.
tak ding da ding ding da ding da ding.
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो 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 राधा रमण हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो रे मदन मुरारी हरि गोपाल बोलो बाके बिहारी हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो
Our last item is a tarana. A tarana is a form of singing. In this item, the dancers portrays graceful movements and subtle moods. Tarana singing gives melodic dimension to the rhythmical syllabus of percussive music. The composition is marked by lyrical movements, footwork, and pirouettes. The composition is in Rag, Bakeshri, and set to Tintal, a time cycle of 16 beats. Thank you again for giving us this wonderful opportunity to perform by this wonderful event. Namaste.
దని సా సా ని సా ధని మద గమ దని సా ని సా ధని మద గమ దని సా ని సా ధని మద గమ దని సా గమ దని సా గమ దని సా నద దని దుంద దని దుంతన రే నా నద దని దుంద దని దుంతన రే నా దింతన రే నా దింతన రే నా దింతన రే నా దింతన రే నా ధాకిట తక దుంకిట తక గదిగన ధా గదిగన ధా గదిగన ధా ధాకిట తక దుంకిట తక గదిగన ధా గదిగన ధా గదిగన ధా ధాకిట తక దుంకిట తక గదిగన ధా గదిగన ధా గదిగన ధా దింతన రే నా రే నా రే దా రే దా రే దింతన